So in this video, I'm going to explain how to multiply negative numbers with positive numbers, and there's going to be 4 different scenarios you'll experience. Scenario number 1, which is rule 1 here, if you have a positive number times a positive number, you're going to get a positive number. So for example, positive 2 times positive 2 is just positive 4, but we don't describe it as positive 2, we just say 2 or 4. So if you want to, you could call that standard multiplication. The second scenario is where there's 2 negatives multiplied together. Let's say negative 3 times negative 4. You're going to get a positive 12. If you want to visualize it as like the 2 negatives kind of link together and become a positive, that's going to be a scenario where 2 negatives make a positive, 2 wrongs make a right. However you really want to visualize or try to remember that. I think the best thing to do with all of these is just practice, and eventually you're just going to remember these rules. Now 3 and 4 are the other 2 scenarios, and that's when you have a positive times a negative or a negative times a positive. Both of those are going to result into a negative. So those are the 4 scenarios. Let's try question number 1. If you want to, you can pause the video and see whether you can get it right yourself. But for question number 1, we have negative 5 times positive 3. And again, it doesn't say positive 3, it is just a positive 3 because it has no negative symbol. 5 times 3 is 15, but one of them is a negative. So rule number 4 says we are going to get negative 15. As for question number 2, we have negative 2 times negative 7. Well, rule number 2 says that when you have a negative times a negative, you get a positive. So we know our answer is going to be positive, and 2 times 7 is 14. So the answer is 14 or positive 14, but you wouldn't write positive 14, you'd just say 14. So I hope that made sense, but if you need more explanation, you can leave a comment below and I will either make a video on a topic that you're struggling with, I'll leave a comment down below in reply and help you with any questions, and yeah, pretty much anything. If you want to leave a comment, I will try and help you out or make a video response. And yeah, thank you for watching the video, I really hope it helped, and yeah, thanks again, best of luck.